Hey everyone, Ron Heading here. If you've been charged with a sex crime in Los Angeles, the stakes are high. You're facing prison time, lifetime of sex registration, and a host of other consequences. You need the best. Let me put my 30+ years of experience to work for you. I had a very serious rape case in Pomona Superior Court. And let me tell you, all the stakes were on the line for my young client, and we got the not guilty verdict. I don't know what this alleged victim was thinking. She meets my client out on the road. They exchange numbers. They get together. She sends him out for alcohol. They come back to her place. Next thing you know, he's charged with rape. He was a basketball player. He had a career, no criminal record, and we got the result. And let me tell you something. I got her on the witness stand, and I hit her 5 ways to Sunday with questions designed to show she was not telling the truth, and it wasn't fair. She was so disgusted and angry that her lies were exposed that as she walked out of the courtroom, I'll never forget it, the huge wooden courtroom door was shutting, and there was about this much left, and she just yelled at the top of her lungs, "Fuck!" And I just looked at the jury like this. And that was the end of the prosecutor's case. The rest of the case, without her, was nothing. Her credibility was everything, and once it was destroyed, once the truth was brought out, and I don't know why people do this type of stuff where they accuse somebody of such a serious crime without the evidence, but without an advocate there to fight for you, you have nothing. You've got to have somebody that's handled these cases, knows how to take them apart piece by piece, and knows how to win. I had a case in downtown Los Angeles. My client was facing sex registration. His whole world was on the line. I convinced the head prosecutor to give him a charge other than sexual battery. The problem with that charge is that it's a 10-year mandatory registration. This guy was a father of 4 kids, no prior criminal record. He got drunk, he did something stupid, and his whole life was about to be destroyed. So I had to figure out how to get him that non-registration. I kept meeting with the head prosecutor, and he would not change. Eventually, though, we waited him out. A new head prosecutor came in, and I was able to get the result. I'll never forget coming out into the hallway in the courthouse, and my client and his father were there waiting, praying. I told them, we got the result. And they came, they both grabbed me, a couple of big guys hugged me, they were crying, they were so happy. That's why I do what I do. This was a good guy who had made a stupid mistake and did not deserve the consequence the original prosecutor was trying to give him. You know, the moral of the story in a case like this is so many people think they're dead in the water, their life's over, they have no chance. If there is a glimmer of hope, if there is an angle, if there is goodness in the person, if there is a problem with the case, I'm gonna find it, and I'm gonna do everything I can. So don't give up hope. You've got to believe in yourself, believe in your attorney, and you can get through this.
I'm telling you guys right now, do not go inside this building or any other courthouse without Ronald Heading. This is the man right here.
Thank
you.
Hey,
you got me out of that.
Send me some partying pictures, man.
I got your direct line.
All right, sounds good, brother.